Hi, good afternoon. This is Eggy the guy from London. Hopefully you're having a good time. I'm here in Paete, Laguna. So in front of me, Church of Paete. Yeah, Paete was founded in 1580 by the Reverend and Stone Church and Convent here from 1646 and it's 1770. I think this church has been here 306 years. So this is a national shrine. Very nice. So that's Paete. We have an event coming because Philippines is a Marian devotee. So we have some saints that was built by the Paeteños from Paete. So we'll go inside. We'll see the different saints of Mama Mary's or replicas of Mama Mary. So we go now. Who is Mom?
Ito isang ito. Sama.
I think she's saying she has a like that.
Pinaka-pink.
This one. So it's just it's quiet here. I think it's good here during Holy Week. So they're devotee of this because of Philippines is a Catholic country. So see you for a while. We'll be around Ethel Laguna. Hello, this is again the guy from London. In Paite, capital of Chisel or Paite. This is sample. Uncle is doing the and go. Paite, the Chisel and Uncle. See you. This is a Mama Mary that is pregnant. So you can see his tummy is big. Her tummy is big. So unusual. This is Our Lady of Delao. Feast day September 8th, 2023. So we requested it to be open, the light. So it's very nice to see. Church is 1770. It's 300 plus years. So we're very lucky to have this.